Hey guys, welcome to this new video. Welcome again to this fantastic video. My name is Kingsley from Obinnar.com, and in today's video we're going to look at how to start affiliate marketing with Google sites. Okay, I'm going to show you magic today. So before we dive straight into the video, my name is Kingsley from Obinnar.com, and this is my YouTube channel. I drop videos on this channel about tech blogging, how to make money online, e-commerce, and a lot of stuff that is going to help you grow and make more sales. So if you don't mind, subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell icon so that you won't miss any video once I drop them on this channel. So guys, it's Black Friday on major e-commerce brands, and I thought about it and I want to bring you this special video. Okay, how can you make money with these Black Friday deals that are happening on this e-commerce website? Like for example, we have Jumia, this is Konga, and Amazon as well, and so many other big e-commerce websites that I know it's Black Friday almost everywhere in the internet. Okay, so what that means is a lot of products prices are going to be slashed down to a lower price. Now people trust this brand. Now you need to make money with this stuff. Okay, you need to make money with it. Okay, so I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Okay, so right here I've set up something, okay, that I'm going to show you exactly how I did it, and it's going to be very helpful. I don't want this video to be too long, so just follow me as we dive straight into it. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing you need to do is go to sites.google.com. okay, so go to sites.google.com, create a web page. So let me go to site.google.com to show you exactly how I did something like that, so that you can get started immediately. Okay, so go to site.google.com, click on blank canvas, and once you're on blank canvas, you can edit the title. I just called my King Store. You can give it any name you want, and you can add a logo if you want, or you just ignore that part and continue with other things. Okay, so let me show you exactly what I did. So what I did was to change this stuff. Just click here, and you can add anything you want, and edit it with the tools you have here. You can bolden it and whatever. Then you need to add this hook. Just double click on this page and add this hook, and you can change the color from this angle right here, and the color will be changed. I just like this color. So once you've done this two part, the next thing is to get this product on your site. So I'm going to be using Jumia for this. Okay, you can use any e-commerce brand as long as it has an affiliate program. So just search for your e-commerce brand and add affiliate program to it. You're going to see the affiliate URL. Just create an account, sign up, register, and you start doing what I'm going to show you. So this is Jumia. I'm going to type Jumia affiliate program. So just look at it, Jumia affiliate sign in. So it's going to show me. So this is Jumia affiliates program, Jumia KOL program. This is their Jumia official affiliate program. So I want to click on it and sign in. Okay, so you can join, you can read what we have here. Remember, like I told you, you can check, you can add it, you can do it for any e-commerce brand. Just search up your affiliate stuff on Google and you're going to see it. So you can read what it is, read their terms and conditions very well. That is very important, so that you know exactly what you're doing. So I'm going to sign in because I already have an account. If you don't have an account, just register and submit all the details you need. So once you've done that, you need to upload your payment details. I've not actually done that, so you need to do that. So once you've done that, go to advertising, click on custom links, and this is where you're going to get your own links to start sharing on your site and start driving traffic. Okay, so this is what you're going to do. So once you're here on this links page, go to Jumia official website. Let's say you are interested in one of these products we have here. Let's say you're interested in this backpack. Okay, you just click on this backpack, and it's going to open it up for you. So once you're here, all you need to do is to copy this URL, copy the page URL, Ctrl+C, go back to your Jumia affiliate dashboard and paste the link here on this web page URL. Ctrl+V, paste the link here, and your sub affiliate ID, you want to add your name here. Okay, very important. So once you've done that, it's going to generate a custom link for you. This is the link it's generated. Now this is the link you're going to add on your Google site. So let's go back to Google site right now. So this is Google site. All I just did, all these products I got it from Jumia. Like I told you how we got the backpack, I just right click on this image and save this image on my computer. As you can see, this is save as. Save it here and go back to Google site here and upload the image. And once I uploaded it, I wrote the name of the product and a little description about the product. You want to make sure you write good description as well, because it's going to help you for SEO. So once we do that, we now added button. Okay, so you can check for buttons here. Okay, you can add button, just click on add button. Now the name of the button, you want to write something good. I write buy now for so and so amount. So let's say the backpack, how much is the backpack? 1,950. So I'll just say buy now for 1,550. It's very simple. Okay, and add. Now this link page is very important. Okay, this link page, so we want to go back to Jumia affiliate program dashboard and copy this link. So this is our own custom link. Ctrl C and go back to this place and Ctrl V, paste the link. So this is our own unique link. Once you've done that, you need to click on insert. Okay, so once you insert it, you drag and drop it here. Now you want to do that for as many products as you want as possible. Okay, that is how you are going to do it and add as many products as possible. Now you need to read Jumia or any affiliate stuff you want to use, whether Jumia, Konga, whatever. You need to read their terms and conditions and know how much commission you'll be getting for any product you advertise. Now you can also decide to choose a niche and upload just a type of specific niche product on your website. So it all depends on whatever you want. Okay, I believe you got value from today's video. So this is how you want to do it for as many products as possible. And once you've done that, we need to preview the site right now. So as you can see, it's looking good on desktop, it's looking good as well on tablet, and on mobile it will be very good. Now let's see if the link is actually going to take us to the product and see if it's going to work. So we need to test it out. So let's say this link, buy now for 79,216 naira. So click on it. Once we click on it, it's going to redirect us to Jumia and the product, so where we can now make purchase to the product. And now once any person buys this product, as you can see, it takes us direct to what I'm telling you about. It's working. So once anybody buy this stuff right now, as you know, Jumia is a trusted brand already in Africa already. So you want to use any e-commerce site, you know that it's trusted already. So once anybody buy this using this link right now, we are going to get paid. Very easy. So you want to do this for as many products, and as product that you know that is very selling right now. Okay, product that is going to be selling right now, you want to do that, and so that you can start making sales and making your money very, very easy even while you sleep. So Jumia is going to do the delivery and the rest of them. Just drive traffic, bring them to the site, and you get paid. Very simple. So I believe you enjoyed today's video. Now the next thing you need to do, please, I want you to do this, it's very important. Add pages. Okay, add a page called disclaimer policy or something like that. Disclaimer. Now you need to tell people that you are an affiliate site. Okay, it's required, it's very important. So disclaimer, you need to add text and say, please this site contains some affiliate links, and if you buy stuff from this site using those links, we are going to earn commission, and that way we say thank you. So that is going to create a good relationship between you and your audience, so they know that you're offering affiliate programs, and that is very easy. So it's required, and it's very easy, and it's very good as well. So you need to provide that stuff right here. I don't want to write so much. Okay, so you need to provide such information in this disclaimer page. Then another important page to add is about us. You need to talk about what your site is all about on this page. Now once you've done that, you need to write whatever your site is all about. And another important one is contact us. You need to provide either your email address or your phone number or something that people can contact you with on this page. So these 3 pages or these 4 pages, these 3 pages are very important. Okay, so just fill the information. If you don't understand anything, just tell me in the comment section and I'll do it for you. It's very simple. Okay, so I believe you got value from today's video. If you want me to elaborate or talk about any other thing, please tell me in the comment section and I would like to do it for you. I don't want this video to be too long, and that's exactly why it is the way it is. Okay, so everything is working. You need to sign up an affiliate marketing program of any e-commerce store you want and have your link and start promoting it on your own website. Okay, so I believe you got value. So if you want to optimize this Google site, watch my video on how to optimize your Google site e-commerce. Very easy. I think this video is going to help you optimize it. And if you want to connect the custom domain name, I've already done a video about it for you. This video is going to help you connect the custom domain name on it. And if you want to add it to Google Pixel, it's going to this Facebook Pixel, sorry, you are going to watch this video and connect it to Facebook Pixel. Now all these things are going to help you drive traffic. Okay, so it's very easy. So you're going to get paid on the Jumia affiliate marketing dashboard. Okay, remember to connect your payment details so you don't need to worry about tracking and inventory and the rest of them. So if you got value from today's video, make sure to subscribe, turn on the bell icon, and so that you won't miss any video once I drop them on this channel. So guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. Okay, so for now I want you to stay blessed and stay cool. Thank you very much for watching.